the sonic elements of a song are just as important as the lyrics, and they can make the lyrics more poignant with the right chords. Again, there's like maybe a perfect combination. Something like God Only Knows by the Beach Boys is a song that the lyrics are super simple. I don't know that by themselves you would necessarily be just wrapped in this attention to it.
Right.
But the way that the orchestration, it lifts up the lyrics and it makes them shine even more. And so we try to, in our own way, find a little piece of that. Brian Wilson's gift.
Well, that's perfect. So would you guys do another song for us?
Absolutely. Sure. This one's called The Lake.
Wilder here on Border Crossings, and the new album is Golden Age Thinking. which took, what, 3 years to make, I guess.
Yeah, a lot of writing, a lot of recording. We recorded some of it in L.A. And worked in some cool studios out there. Took what should have been a vacation, but it wasn't. And then, one day off, right? That was fun.
2 weeks.
And we took it home and we did some work in studios around the area here. We're really pleased with the results.
And I guess it's a hard decision to pick the songs that are going to go on an album because you've been writing for a while now. You must have many more than you needed for the album.
Absolutely.
So I always get curious about a band's process of how do you go about picking the 12 songs, let's say 12.
Yeah.
Tough
A lot
choices.
of arguing.
A lot of arguing,
Yeah.
arm wrestling,
Everyone has an
coin
opinion.
tossing.
Yeah.
We actually sat down and rated each
Yeah, we
song
did,
based
yeah.
on
Yep.
how much we liked it. And there was like, how much do you like it? And then how much do you think it fits with the overall theme and arc of the album? Because unfortunately for these guys, I'm obsessed with writing semi-concept albums. And so that means that some songs that we really love get pushed aside and because they just don't fit or thematically they're not the right thing at that moment. So, but it makes it exciting because we have a lot of songs that we are ready to dig in for the next one.
Yeah, we get to keep making music. So.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. It's a great process. Well, we've got you guys here for. Would you do another song?
We'd love
for
to,
the-
yeah.
A few minutes because you got to go get ready for your gig.
This one is called Fear.
We were tied through fear in the hope we'd grow. Your retreat from home could end where we slept beneath the side of my bed, in the empty house I shared with my friends. When the hope fades south and the steps caved in, when the embers hold below, and remind me of you coming home to wash all the smoke from your clothes. But I don't mean to say that all my love had turned away. I believe that for these weeks and for a while, are you right with God? Was he on our side as the days shrink by again? Turn to quiet, sink into dread, shading all the thoughts in my head. So I speak with death. Will he work through time to the days longer in light? Picks her from the back of my mind, blots her out and changes my sight. And with the sense from you that all my love had turned away, I believe that for these weeks and for a while, I don't mean to prepare for this. I could never say why. I don't need this now.
That's cool.
Thank you.
Cool instrumentation. You guys into experimenting with your instruments? You ever do that? Try some. I mean, that's pretty experimental.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we love including all kinds of weird instruments
yeah.
on the record. That's like my favorite thing. And Lonnie keeps getting deeper in the rabbit hole on
Of
weird effects. So,
weird effects, yeah.
What's the weirdest? Give us some examples of some
something that's actually on the record.
unexpected
On the record.
On the record.
instrumentation.
Oh well, yeah. I mean, so we tracked a bunch of string quartet parts as far as strings and horns, and the guy who engineered the record said, "You guys are really into trumpet, aren't you?" I'm like, I don't know. I mean,
It's on 2
For
songs.
this album,
yeah,
yes,
it's, like,
right.
it's on a song. So yeah, we bring in all kinds of things. Jackson played some glockenspiel, and
We
Lonnie
use
has
thigh pats quite a bit.
oh yeah,
But you don't
that
really,
song,
you won't really recognize them. It's more of just kind of this
percussive elements
movement.
like
You kind of feel it. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't really like think, oh, someone's hitting their legs. It's just kind of this
Right.
like.
Where can people find you on the internet and social media if they want to check you out?
wildermusic.com, WYLDER music.com. But really, I mean, the best thing people can do is listen on Spotify, follow on Instagram. We're just search for Wilder.
And again, the website.
wildermusic.com.
All right, awesome. Thank you guys for coming on the show.
Thank you for having
Thanks
us.
for having
It's a
us.
blast.
It's great to meet you guys, and
Yeah.
congratulations on the new album.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
Look forward to hearing more music from Wilder. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Wilder's our guest. Golden Age Thinking is the name of the album. My name is Larry London, and this is Border Crossings.